This procedure will assist you with installing the Yale Pivot Collection Navis Paddle. To complete this procedure, you will need an Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the strike plate to the door jamb using 2 Phillips flathead screws. Making sure the latch button is on the inside of the door, insert the latch into the door. Place the latch plate over the latch and attach it with 2 Phillips flathead screws. Insert the exterior chassis into the door. Make sure the spindle enters the square hole in the latch. Attach the interior chassis to the door using the 2 Phillips buttonhead screws. Note, you will have to hold the exterior chassis in place as you tighten the screws. Remove the installation pins from the chassis. Screw the privacy button into the interior chassis. Optional, place the selector screw on the outside of the door to select push only. Attach the rose to the exterior chassis with the set screw. Attach the rose to the interior chassis with the set screw. Attach the paddle to the interior chassis with the set screw. Attach the paddle to the exterior chassis with the set screw. To open the door, push in on the paddle. To lock the door, push the privacy button. To unlock the door, push or pull the inside paddle. Congratulations! This completes the installation of the Yale Pivot Collection Navis Paddle.